Okay, another box from Klymit for our commercial photography shoot. Let's see what else they sent. So this is the Traverse double hammock. Looking forward to using this. Yeah, nice. Give you a good look at that. So the features of this hammock: it's lightweight, packs down small. It looks like it's 1.9 pounds, which is pretty light for a double hammock. Pack size is 8.5 by 5.5 inches, so you can see that here. It's pretty small. Capacity up to 400 pounds. Wow. And the dimensions are 110 by 74, so it's got good length to it. It is it does have like a innovative construction that resists stretching and snagging, which is something that you want in a hammock for sure. This hammock is good for the backyard or the backcountry, and it includes two 10-foot tree straps with multiple attachment points and two aluminum carabiners. It's made out of 75 denier polyester. So let's take a gander at this thing. It'll be fun packing this all back up, of course. Yeah, so the bag is attached to the hammock, which is really nice. That's a great feature rather than having something separate to lose. This pattern is pretty nice too. So there's our carabiners and our tree straps. And so a quick pro tip: when you get sap from trees on these tree straps, just take some hand sanitizer, spread the hand sanitizer on a rag, and then wipe it over the tree sap to get it off as the best you can, and then soak it in water overnight, and that'll take the tree sap right out of there for you. But yeah, looking forward to doing a full review on this Traverse double hammock. And in fact, I have a Traverse shelter as well that I think I could use with this hammock to protect myself overnight. And if you haven't seen the sleeping bag video that I just unboxed too, that would go nicely in here as well. So check that out. I'll pop a card up at the top. Make sure you also check the description below. I'll put a link to these great products down there. You can check them out online yourself. And appreciate you liking this video. It really helps if you like and subscribe. Thanks so much for your support, and I appreciate you joining me today. Bye-bye.